We are here to literally produce the highest quality part at the most affordable price for our customers in the quickest time possible. My name is Brad Loyette. I'm the owner of BP Fabrication here in St. Louis, Missouri. I grew up in an entrepreneurial family. My dad owned his own business, he still does, and I always knew I wanted to work for myself. I wanted to build something. I was a race car driver by trade. I was involved in an accident here at the shop, resulted in me retiring from racing full time. I essentially blew my hand off from a wheel exploding, went through several surgeries, fell into like a fight or flight type mode of what am I gonna do? Racing's gone. I had a passion for building parts and I never thought I could make something out of it full time. When it all transpired, I already had a Haas machine on order, but it sat here for 6 months before I got to the point where I could come out and start manufacture parts. I am completely self-taught. I didn't go to school for any trade for manufacturing. We started off as an unknown company. Nobody knew who we were. Nobody knew what we could complete or do. And who's to put their trust in me with somebody who's just buying a machine and trying to break into this industry? For us, the smartest decision we could do was to go after the racers. It was something where I did have a name, or people knew who I was, and I knew parts that could be improved or made better or just, made sense to make, right? I had people like Kyle Larson, NASCAR champion, Christopher Bell, NASCAR racer, Alex Bowman. These guys who are high end at our sport start to order parts from us. And when you see somebody like that take your parts and go out and win, you don't think it would have the same sort of it doesn't resonate with you like it does when you're racing, but you know that you played a small part in that. We were predominantly almost 90% race car parts. When COVID hit, racing was shut down just like the rest of the world, right? But we weren't selling parts because there was no racing happening. And as soon as that point hit, we quickly pivoted, and now we're probably 75% non-racing parts as a job shop. One of the things of business ownership that means the most to me is it's something where you get to see a result at the end of the day. And it's not only for me, it's for my guys. For me, I want to build a place that's super fun to work at. I want it to be somewhere where when you come to work here, you're excited to walk through the door. You're excited to see the parts that we're producing. You're excited to work for the customers we're working for. And I think we've done a really, really good job at that. I've literally never taken my foot off the gas pedal. Like, we're here to grow as big as we can without lacking quality parts, without lacking delivery times. Whether it's something that's going into a fighter plane or it's something that's used in an industrial aspect that nobody ever sees, we take pride in every single part that comes through the door here, and we also run every single part like it is the most important thing to ever be used. We like to look at it as we know the parts that we've used in our industry with racing, and we know how important quality is and having parts on time, and we hope to achieve that with every single one of our customers. Whether you're one of the biggest in the world or you're a mom and pop shop down the road that needs parts made, we're here for you.